guys. Well, welcome everyone. I see a full house. I was expecting, I think we're doing much better after last night, late dinner, still in the afternoon. So we're going to talk about leveraging big data to take programmatic to the next level. That's something that we've been hitting around with a lot of the panels. So hopefully this will have another angle to the whole perspective of big data and programmatic. And I am here with some amazing people. I have, and they will all get a chance to introduce themselves. Joe from Crux, Susan from Kantar, Alan from Digiland. They get a chance to introduce themselves and their companies and what they do. But before we get into that, I wanted to just take the leveraging big data to take programmatic to the next level and break it down a bit from how I see it. I'm Saqib Mausoof, part of Cadreon. I started pretty much with programmatic and Cadreon back in 2009, 2010 area. So I've seen how it has changed the landscape. So as we go through, I'm going to be quick, so I want everyone to have a discussion and answer these things. So we all know about how data is the new currency. Everyone talks about it. It's a very simplistic way of putting that we need platforms, and they're like banks. We need a place to put this data. We need a place to organize it, collect it, analyze it, put the right security restrictions on it. You talked about data sharing. You want to put all these places in a platform, obviously, a big data platform. And where did programmatic start from? So programmatic has been using big data from day one. It's built around media events data. There's a lot of data that you're collecting. You're using big data platforms, algorithms, Bayesian algorithms to do the right decision, the bidding. All that is done at, within milliseconds. All that is happening already. So the big data is there. It's the basis for programmatic. This is key. However, what have we done with it? We have traditionally spent a lot of time on buying and selling media. So the metrics you see up there, CPM, CPCs, they're all part of programmatic world. I believe we've done a great job. Efficiencies, we've talked about the technology going forward. I believe all digital will be programmatic, all media will be digital. That's the way things are. We are firm believers in that. And then going forward, I would say that the reality is not all media is going to be based around buy and sell. There are all kinds of data. You need a holistic view, right? You need big data, you need small and smart data, you need all kinds of data to do the right thing, because the challenges of EA, from Glenn's perspective, are very different from a J&J or Coca-Cola challenge, right? I mean, they don't know the consumers like I'm a video gamer. I was surprised to hear that they know the corners I can take fast and slow. It's really a decision on my driving capacity. So with that, what I would like to do is talk about how do we handle this, right? So I can see this. I'm going to stand up, sorry. So the solve we came up with to do this, it's very complicated. And as practitioners, as part of the advertising world, this is our creation. I think we all have some part in this. Good or bad, this is our world right now. It's not easy for marketers to decipher this. People who live and breathe this stuff have made this. We all have our stake in this. And as a segue, I would like to go into figuring out what are the platforms that can help us manage all this,